Here's one for the Yanks. A Wakefield wrench from Worcester, Massachusetts. And the funny thing is, this old American tool still feels familiar in a British hand, because this special relationship didn't begin with politicians, it began with real people, engineers, blacksmiths, machinists, shipbuilders, cousins, brothers and sisters across the pond, taking British and European skills and helping build Americans' industry. This old wrench is part of the forgotten story. Heavy, simple, built to survive. Worth pennies in money, but priceless in design and purpose. Rescued, restored and rust-free. Like and share for more.